how to refund a game pass in Roblox, the updated version. Load up the Roblox website and you just want to change /home to /support. Now you will be taken to this page, contact us. You will need to provide your email address here in this field and then just type it again in this other field. What device are you having the problem on? You will choose the device which you use to play Roblox. So for example, if you play on PC, we're going to click on PC. The type of help category is going to be billing and payments. And the help subcategory is going to be to have an issue, or I want to report an unauthorized charge or request a refund. So it's going to be this first one. Now I want you to type this: hi, comma, I purchased a game pass by accident, code, and you will type the name of the game pass which you purchased here. So I'm just going to leave it like this. And I do not intend on using it. Could I receive a refund? Thank you very much. This is all you need to send. So you will click on continue after you have filled out your email address. And then if the Roblox support is able to give you a refund, then they will contact you. And as long as you haven't used the game pass, then you should be good to go. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.